Galaxy Note 9 fans won't be happy after hands-on review shows major feature is missing. Samsung fans won't be happy after a hands-on review emerged from a reliable technology reporter that appears to confirm a major feature will be missing from the Galaxy Note 9. Those hoping to upgrade their smartphone in favor of the supercharged phablet were extremely excited last week when Samsung sent out invitations to an event dubbed Unpacked next month, seemingly set to reveal the Note 9. The photo attached with the invitation showed a signature Note S Pen in a new gold color. But it appears the Galaxy Note 9 may be missing a major feature Samsung fans were hoping for. Eldar Murtazin has a history of reporting accurately on devices before and after they have officially been released. He claimed he had the opportunity to see this device, to evaluate the hardware ahead of the phone's full unveiling. The reporter insisted the Note 9 will feature a fingerprint reader below the device's rear camera sensors. This means the flagship device seems set to miss out on a screen with built-in fingerprint scanning technology. Instead, the South Korean technology behemoth appears to have simply moved the fingerprint sensor that was controversially placed high on the Note 8's rear, meaning many struggled to reach it, with some opting not to use it entirely. Such a move would be extremely similar to the sensor shift on the Samsung Galaxy S8 and S9. Mr. Murtazin's hands-on review also insisted the Note 9 will look extremely similar to its predecessor, suggesting the vast improvements to the new phone will be found in its internals. The dual-camera system on the Note 9 has been flipped horizontally, like the Galaxy S9, however. The reporter declared the Note 9 will pack a 4,000 mAh battery inside and claimed he received 25 hours of video playback during his testing on the highest level of brightness. He also claimed the Note 9 will come in two models, one that features 6GB of RAM and one with 8GB. The screen on the Note 9 is also said to be brighter than its predecessor. Mr. Murtazin also insisted the S Pen on the Note 9 will feature Bluetooth functionality. Such a claim ties into rumors from reliable tipsters universe who claim the signature pen will host a ton of new features. He tweeted, "The Galaxy Note 9 S Pen can be used to control long-range self-timer, control music playback. Because it is a Bluetooth device, it will do something unrelated to the pen." Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event will take place on August 9.